Hi, we're Darby and Ro, and Cosmo. We're currently travelling Australia in our self-converted van. We upload videos every week about our travels and the ups and downs of living in a van. This is what we got up to this week. I don't know if you can hear this rain right now, but it is pouring.
Intense rainfall lashes the southeast.
Raging water surrounds homes in Toowoomba and is underwater, including the CBD.
Do you like the tunnel bird? This is where they had cannons and guns and stuff in World War II. Pretty cool. Anything in the doors? Just go. Surprise, surprise, we have more fridge issues.
We're taking it back.
Taking it back, yep. It's just shutting off now. Like it's not even, like it's still not holding temperature, but it's also just shutting off. So we have no idea what's going on. We've spent so much money at repair shops for this one fridge, we're considering just throwing it away and getting a new one. So Rowan just called this place that Dometic recommended near Newcastle. We're going to go back down to Newcastle, give the fridge to this repair shop. It'll be like the 5th one we've been to. And we're probably going to have to stay there for like a week or something. It's just so frustrating that nobody can fix it. And their motto is, we'll fix it before we replace it. And we've been to so many repair shops that can't fix it. It's still not working and no one wants to replace it and give us like a new one, so we're lost, don't know what to do. At this point, we are honestly just so sick of spending more money on more food because the fridge decides to break and we just lost like $100 worth of food for the week. Like our trip is just getting shorter and shorter because of this one issue that's just, I don't know, all our money's just going down the drain. We really hope we can get this sorted soon so we can continue on with our travels, but for now, it's just what we got to do. We saved up a certain amount and then we budgeted every single week what we would need to spend in order to do this trip for the time that we wanted to do it. And it just, it's just not working. How handsome do you look? Wow. We bought this little fridge substitute and we had a big bag of servo ice in it holding all of our cold stuff, but it's complete water now. So we have no fridge once again. Hey Cosmo. What are those paws, bud? Have you been digging?
We got our fridge working and the problem was the wire was too thin that was leading to it, so there was too many volts dropping and it kept triggering the low battery mode in the fridge, which shuts it down and it doesn't start back up again until it gets 12 volts, which it wasn't getting because the wire was too thin. So we've put a new thicker wire in there and it's been working since, so hopefully it doesn't have any more issues.
Cosmo just decided he wanted to take 5 minutes to scope the area, see where a good spot to poo would be, and we both got drenched, didn't we, bud? Yeah. So we read online a couple of days ago if the cocoon has been in there for 2 weeks and nothing's happened, then it probably hasn't survived. Yeah, if it bounces back, it's alive.
And if you snap it, you killed it.
So that's what we're going to try and do. I've been waiting to get some gloves. So we've got some dishwashing gloves. This might be a little bit weird. Cosmo's very interested in this process as well, aren't you, bud? You want to see how brother Callum is doing? Viewer discretion is advised. If you don't want to know the outcome, then probably don't watch, because there might be a dead caterpillar in here. Oh, this is weird. Oh, here we go. It is going a little bit light, but it is also quite dark. I'm not really sure. Have a close look at this. Can anyone tell us if this is like a live cocoon or not? Because he's been in here for about 2 weeks now, and it says if they haven't come out in 2 weeks, Cosmo, you're so close, bud, then there might be something wrong. So yeah, we'll keep it for now, but if anyone can let us know, that would be great, because we're a bit confused and we've just got this plastic bottle full of dirt sticks in the van that's quite big and taking up space.
Chuck it! Chuck it! He's dead!
No, he might not be dead. Can you smell him? Is he in there? We're gonna keep it for a few more days and see what happens, and then we'll update you then.
And then we'll chuck it.
And then we'll probably chuck it. Thanks for coming on this journey with us with little Callum, and we'll find out together if he's dead or alive. This morning we're going to try and find the cafe with Australia's thickest thick shakes in Tenterfield. So,
World's thickest thick.
oh, the world's thickest thick shakes. What are your thoughts?
It's going to be too thick.
Too thick?
Too thick.
We'll see.
That's the style.
So the famous pie shop has closed down.
It was also made up.
No, the thick shakes were made for the movie. Yeah, they must have run out of business or something. Hi Cosmo! Hi, what were you doing in the kitchen? Thank you. As I was saying earlier, we were trying to find these really thick shakes that were displayed in one of my favourite movies ever, Charlie and Boots. It's just like this Aussie road trip movie, which is just so funny. But it turns out they only introduced the thick shakes for the movie, and after the guys left, they kept the thick shakes there, but the pie shop has closed down, so we couldn't even go there anymore, which is a bit disheartening. I thought it was like a really popular Aussie spot, but turns out they just made it for the movie, and it kind of broke my heart a little bit. Did it break your heart, bud?
So we've just crossed the border into Queensland, and because it's flooding on the coast, we've gone a bit inland and we're now in the Girraween National Park, and we are climbing the pyramid, which is a big rock. I almost made it to the top, but it's very slippery. I'm not sure if you can see, but the rock's all wet and my shoes are really sliding, and that's a cliff. So this is as far as I'm gonna make it today. Now I gotta walk back down, and this is the way back down.
Cosmo?